Okay guys, so today we're gonna play some ranked games with Steve, because sometimes it's really good to play serious.
Whipping my hair back and forth.
Just sometimes.
Crit, please. Crit, yes!
Oh my god, you created? This is the compact. What? Oh, run! Oh my god.
Yeah, I can.
Let's go boys, let's invade this time. Go, go, go.
You go Mommy Bush.
Go invade. What is Mommy Bush? Where is it?
This one.
Why is it Mommy's bush?
Mommy always does that bush.
It's more like Tri Bush.
No, it's Mommy Bush.
Okay.
This is Tribush.
Okay. Come on, Mommy, where are you? I heard that this is Mommy Bush.
But we are the wrong side. Oh shit!
Oh, fuck.
It is Mommy Bush! Shortest fucking jump ever, man! But you live!
Be ready. Are you ready, Kreton?
Yes,
I have my CV here.
I'm ready, man. But it has to be hit.
Yay. Communication!
Get him, no matter what. Oh my god. It's like I don't even have to do anything. What? Show me how you crit. Come on. Hey guys, it's Creaton. Last couple of days you've been teaching me how to edit videos, and it's going pretty well. I still have a lot to learn, but I will try to provide you the sickest shit. And also thanks for all the subscribers. That's really awesome. I didn't expect that numbers at all. I love you guys, and yeah, hopefully you're gonna keep on watching me in the future. Thank you.